Hello everyone, welcome to Timekeep. My name is Dan and today I have another watch for you. This is a very cool Seiko that I found on eBay and I was really excited to get it. It came with the original box and the warranty card and warranty instructions. As you can see, the warranty instructions are from 1999, which tells me this watch is either from 1998 or maybe 99, because in 97 they released a different model, which was the first time this watch was released, this type of watch. As you can see on the warranty card, the watch was purchased at an airport in Japan in the year 2000, and it was a gift from a father to his son. You can see here it says to Andrew on the 15th birthday from Dad. So this is what the watch looks like, and you can see there are a few pieces floating in the box already, and I'll explain why that is. So when I first got the watch, it was actually intact. There were no issues with it. It looked totally fine. But as soon as I tried to use the pump to put some air into the air chamber that's under the watch, everything started falling apart. The whole pump assembly started to disintegrate. If you're familiar with these old digital watches from Japan, usually Seiko and Casio, they have that issue. And you can see here, not very visible on the camera, it says AirPro, which is the model of this watch. And the pump pusher just sunk in, and it just broke. And the other side is what you use to let the air out, but that one broke as well. And let's see, the reference number is W851 4000. So what I'll do is I'll remove the strap, and I think I'll remove the pump assembly, and let's see if we can get the watch working. My goal is to see if anyone can help me find replacement parts for this Seiko. I really like it, and I'll try my best to see if I can get it running. I looked everywhere and I couldn't find any replacement parts. It looks like they are really rare. If you run a search on eBay for these watches, you'll find out that most of them are missing the whole pump assembly. I guess it didn't do well over time and most of them just broke and fell apart. This is the air chamber. Let's open the watch and see what we have inside. Hopefully no corrosion or damage to the module. There we go. It actually looks pretty clean. The module is pretty clean, and it's in good shape. Here is the case back with the speaker and the gasket, which is actually not in a bad shape as well. So I'm gonna replace the battery and do an AC reset, and we'll see if the watch is running. The AC contact is right here. Let me check real quick to see if it's running. And yeah, it is running. So I'm just gonna do an AC reset, and we'll put it together. So at first glance, it looks like it has alarm, world time, chronograph, and time, I guess. So that's how you activate the beep or the speaker. And there's the alarm. Here's the chamber, and you can see how it's just falling apart, which is really sad because this is a really nice watch. I will be assembling this watch, but I won't be able to assemble any parts of the air pump. I can glue everything and make it look like a complete watch, but I really want it to be functional. I want to test it to see how it feels. So I'm just gonna put the band back on, and hopefully I will find the replacement parts somewhere. If anyone knows where I can find replacement parts for this, please let me know in the comment section. I kind of looked everywhere and I couldn't find them, like I said. I'm also curious to see if Seiko can service this. I bet they don't have any replacement parts for it at this point. Yeah, here's the light just to show you how it works. The watch is working, and like I said, I'll keep an eye for parts, replacement parts. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I just wanted to show this watch real quick because I thought it was really cool. Like I said, if you know where I can find parts for it, please let me know. I would like to make another video where I rebuild the pump assembly. But yeah, that'll be it for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you next time.